Hi, welcome back. This is just a quick video of what I've been up to the last week or two. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button, and check me out on Instagram at Clargo Garage. So I haven't been up to too much. I wash and wax the bikes. Oh, this is the wife's bike. Turned out pretty good. A little 250 gave that a nice wash and wax job as well. And I've been doing some work on the Yamaha. So I have the tank off because I did the valves on it. Just want to do a quick check. And there is a video coming of that. And the tank is still off because I'm going to replace the coils. They're original. They're starting to get pretty high mileage. And I'm getting ready to go on a big trip. And I'm going to replace them just to for peace of mind more than anything. And one other thing I'm going to do while I have the tank and that off, the CPU, the computer is down below here, and I'm going to inspect the wiring on it while I'm at home, just to make sure I have no issues. It's coming along pretty good. I'm working on a new GoPro mount that's going to go right here. The factory GoPro ones, they don't stay on with the vibration and the wind and the heat, and they fall off on me, so I'm going to make a custom one out of metal with a larger surface area. I'm going to hope that works for me this time. And then I'm in the process right now of putting my air filter back on. I'm still running the Canon air filter, so I took it out yesterday and cleaned it, dried it, and then oiled it. So I'm going to put it back on today. So that part's good and ready to go for my trip. And I still haven't done anything with the Pontiac. Just too many things on the go. I did get my big box down. It was hanging up on the wall. I'm not sure if you noticed it on the back wall in any of my other videos, but I got that down, and I got some material. I'm going to try to make a tent for my next trip that goes off my bike and off of this box, so I'm hoping that works for me. And never had time this winter to finish it off, so it's still going to be rusty this year on the road. Well, that's about it. I haven't been doing too much, just been too busy, but doing the valves, that's good to have that done. They were good, but it's been a while since I checked them, and there is going to be a video on that. And hopefully tomorrow my coils are in, and I can put my new coils on and new spark plugs, and there'll be another video on that as well. And then I can start getting my bike back together and continue getting ready for my trip. So it's going to be a pretty awesome trip. I'm heading out west. My plan is to hit up all the provinces west of Ontario, as well as Northwest Territories and the Yukon. I'd like to go to Nunavut, but there's no roads going into Nunavut. It's flying only, so I won't be able to make it there. And then I'm going to be about 60 kilometers away from Alaska on my trip, so I'm planning on going into Alaska as well, just to say I did. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button, and check me out on Instagram at Clargo Garage. Have a great night.